Hello. And my topic is coral. Corals are sea animals, marine animals, and exist as a small sea animal. Originally, coral is originally coral, which is called sango, is a jewelry in Japan. Coral is one of the Japanese two major jewels. Another is a pearl. It has been said that it was effective as a talisman against the evil and which exterminate the devils in Europe. Talisman means omamori. It is said that it takes 800 years till it grows up into the size of palm. Thank you very much.